Putting, the sweet science of putting the ball in the hole.
The finishing touch.
Bringing it all home.
Sometimes there's hills.
Twists and turns.
The key is to read the green and chart your course.
We've set up 3 balls, each with a different path.
Your job, Chris, is to carefully evaluate the angles and hit the ball with exactly the right amount of force.
Read, chart, hit. Got it.
Take your time.
Check the angles.
No. Da. Ma.
Holy crap!
That was...
Amazing.
Thanks, boys. Plunky's regional mini golf champion, 3 years in a row.
These guys have spent enough time puttering around, so come meet Chris and the C&L team at NBAA Las Vegas, October 17th, 18th, and 19th.
Well, at least I've got that going for me. See you in Vegas.